Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from Coinbase Wallet to Binance application in very simple steps. I will also show you that how you can pay the transaction fee using the Coinbase Wallet. If you don't have fees on the Coinbase Wallet, then I will also show you. So if you don't know how to pay the fee and which network fee you have to pay, I will guide you in this video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel for more videos. So let's come on the Coinbase Wallet application. So I have opened Coinbase Wallet application on my cell phone. So this is the dashboard of the Coinbase Wallet. In the previous video, we have transferred some USDT from Binance application to Coinbase Wallet. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer the USDT into Binance application. So here you can see I have 9.68 USDT, which is Binance Bridge USDT network. If you click on this, so here you can see this asset is on the BNB Binance Smart Chain network. So let's say if you want to transfer these USDT into any application just like Binance, KuCoin, OKS or any other application, you have to pay the fee in the BNB coin because these coins are available in the BNB Smart Chain network. So you have to pay the fee in the BNB. If you have coin in Tron network, you have to pay the fee in the TRX. If you have the coin in the Ethereum network, you have to pay the fee in the Ethereum. For the Polygon, you have to pay the fee in the Matic, and for the Solana, you have to pay the fee in the Sol network. So the scenario is currently I have USDT in the BNB Smart Chain network, so I need some BNB amount in my Coinbase wallet. So currently I don't have any BNB coin. So first I will transfer some BNB coin from the Binance application, or you can transfer from the any application. To receive BNB, close this. Click on receive, and here you have to search BNB. Click on the BNB on BNB Smart Chain network. So this is BNB network. Copy this and come on the Binance application. So I have opened Binance application on my cell phone. So first buy some BNB because I don't have BNB. Come on the BNB, buy. Let's say I want to buy BNB for the 5 USDT. 5 market order, buy BNB. Alright, now let's transfer these BNB into Coinbase Wallet. Come on the wallet, export, withdraw, search BNB, and here you can see we have 4.84 BNB in our Binance application. Click on this, send via crypto network. Now here you have to paste the address which we have copied from the BNB Coinbase Wallet. Paste, select BNB network. Network should be same on the both sides, otherwise you may lose your funds. So you can transfer minimum 0.0012 BNB. So let's say I want to transfer all BNB which I have available. We have to pay the network fee 0.0006 BNB. Click on withdraw and click on confirm. Okay, re-verification, thumb verification. Alright, so here you can see withdrawal is processing. It will take couple of minutes to transfer your BNB into Coinbase Wallet. You can review history from here. Now it says processing. So currently it is processing. Till you can subscribe my channel for more amazing tutorials. Alright, so here you can see we have received 4.49 BNB into our Coinbase wallet. Click on this. Now we have some BNB to pay the network fees. Now whenever you transfer USDT from Coinbase wallet, your fee will be covered from the BNB if you have coin in the BNB network. Now let's transfer some USDT from here to Binance application. Click on this, click on send. Now let's say I want to transfer 5 USDT from here. Click on next. Here you have to add the address. Now to get the address, come on the Binance application, Binance, cancel this. Now I want to deposit USDT into my Binance account. So click on deposit, select USDT. So on the Coinbase wallet, I have USDT in the BNB network. So also here you have to select the network in the BNB. BNB. Copy this address. Now come on the Coinbase wallet, paste this address here, click on confirm. Alright, so here you can see we are transferring 5 USDT into this network, and you have to pay the network fee which is equal to $0.03, which will be covered from our BNB network. Alright, so total cost will be $5.03. So everything is good. Click on confirm, security verification. So here you can see it says successfully sent 5 USDT into Binance application. Click on done, refresh this. Currently it's showing sent 5 USDT. Click on this. Now let's come on the Binance application. Sometimes it shows that you have successfully sent USDT, but it will take some time to receive on the Binance application. Come on the Binance application, refresh this on the overview. So here you can see it is showing 4.9971 USDT processing, and here we got the notification that successfully deposit in our account. Click on this. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully transferred USDT in the Binance network from Coinbase wallet to Binance application in couple of minutes. If you face any problem, please comment down below. See you in the next video.